This is a video tutorial for the distributions widget. When given a data set, the distributions widget displays a value distribution of either discrete or continuous attributes. If the data contains class, the distributions are conditioned on that class. So for our first example, I'm going to use the Titanic data set, which is found on the Orange website. So you drag down a file widget and a distributions widget. Select your file, so Titanic, and then connect the two. For discrete attributes, the graph displayed by the widget will show how many times each of the attribute values appears in the data. So in this case, we have status aboard the Titanic, so crew, first, second, and third class, and then whether or not you survived, so no, did not survive, or yes, did survive the Titanic sinking. You can also change the variables, so we can look at age or sex. This widget also allows you to look at the probabilities associated with the data set. So in this case, we have the probability that you'll not survive aboard the Titanic if you're on the crew or first, second, or third class. And you can change this to show the other target value. Confidence intervals are also able to be displayed or not displayed. So now we're going to look at the iris data set, which has continuous attributes. So again, file widget, distributions widget, open your file, and connect the two. So continuous attributes, such as sepal length, will be discretized into a histogram shown here. You can change this level of discretization by changing the number of bars shown right here. Again, you have different outcomes, so in this case we have different species of flowers, and the variable here is sepal length, which can be changed. For probabilities, instead of getting dots, you're going to get a continuous line, which is this bold line right here, and the confidence intervals will be displayed as thinner lines above and below the probability line. And again, you can change the target value, so in this case, different species of iris flower. For final example, we're going to look at a data set which has information about bridges. So drag down the file, the distributions widget, open the file, connect the two. Notice in this data set, which has the classless domains, the bars are displayed in gray, indicating that there's no additional information to be displayed. But again, you can change the variable, so material, length, etc. For more information on this widget, visit the Orange website and go to the widgets page.